In this session, I am going to discuss about the second colligative property, that is elevation of boiling point. First, we need to know that what do you mean by boiling point. Boiling point is a temperature at which liquid boils, and at this temperature vapor pressure of the liquid becomes equal to an atmospheric pressure. For example, the boiling point of water is 373.15 degree Kelvin, that is 100 degrees Celsius. The vapor pressure of a liquid increases with increase of temperature, but the vapor pressure of a solvent decreases in the presence of a non-volatile solute. For example, vapor pressure of an aqueous solution of sucrose is less than the vapor pressure of the pure solvent, that is water. The vapor pressure of a solvent in a solution decreases in the presence of a non-volatile solute because the solute reduces the vaporizing nature of the solvent. Hence, the boiling point of a solution is always higher than that of the boiling point of the pure solvent. In this graph, you can see that the boiling point of the solution is higher than that of the solvent. The elevation of boiling point of the solution depends on the number of solute molecules but not on their nature. Hence, elevation of boiling point is a colligative property. Let Tb naught be the boiling point of pure solvent and Tb be the boiling point of the solution. The increase in the boiling point, that is delta Tb, is equal to Tb minus Tb naught, which is known as elevation of boiling point. For dilute solutions, the elevation of boiling point, that is delta Tb, is directly proportional to the molar concentration of the solute in a solution. Thus, delta Tb is proportional to molality, that is small m, or delta Tb is equal to Kb into m, where m is the molality, that is the number of moles of the solute dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent, where Kb is the constant of proportionality called boiling point elevation constant or molar elevation constant or ebullioscopic constant. The SI unit of Kb is Kelvin kg per mole. The molality, that is small m of the solution, can be calculated by using the expression small m is equal to small w2 into 1000 divided by small w into capital M2. Hence, delta Tb is equal to small m into Kb, which is equal to W2 into 1000 into Kb divided by W1 into M2, or M2 is equal to W2 into 1000 divided into Kb divided by W1 into delta Tb. From this equation, knowing all other quantities, the molar mass of the solute, that is M2, can be calculated.